for a variety of industrial applications, including machine tools, textile machines, woodworking machines, packaging machines, electronics, fans, pumps, and air compressors. Getting the MS300 up and running out of the box is simple. Once the drive is wired to your motor and is powered on, select the Run button. The default speed reference is 60 Hz. Since we want to enable the digital keypad dial to set the frequency setting, we will navigate to parameter 0020 and select option 7. These two easy steps are all we needed to do in order to get a basic 60 Hz startup with the digital keypad dial enabled. From here, you can customize the parameters as necessary through the various parameter menus, and for your convenience, they are split into different categories. To perform a factory reset, navigate to parameter 0002 and select option 10 to reset all parameters to the factory settings with a base frequency of 60 Hz.